Welcome to day 3 of the Recurring Revenue 5-Day Challenge Summit. In our quest to discover what product might sell best on a recurring basis, yesterday we asked our target community for feedback about the products they've purchased more than once and why they have done so. Hopefully you got confirmation of what you thought from day 1, the things that you think might sell well through a recurring sales program. Or maybe you got a surprise or two. Sometimes you never know with your buyers. Either way, you can keep that conversation going so it's never a mystery. Always be asking your target community for their feedback. Day 3 is about looking at your brand and the community that is forming around it and considering producing a periodic subscription box. We'll also touch upon how using YouTube can enhance a subscription box experience. A subscription box is a curated shipment of products designed around a certain lifestyle, community, theme, or personality type. The member subscribes to the box by paying a set price periodically, usually monthly or quarterly, and the subscription box is delivered based on a prearranged schedule. A subscription box can be a business model unto itself, or it can be part of a marketing strategy, or it can be a little bit of both. A subscription box can contain as many as dozens of products or just one. A box can also contain collections of ingredients or supplies needed to craft a certain project or product at home, like a meal kit or a kid's craft project, for example. It can also contain some kind of printed material, like an instruction booklet, flyer, postcard, or a mini magazine. Subscription boxes are hugely popular, as we all know from the many thousands of unboxing videos we have seen all over social media, on YouTube in particular. There are many components to a subscription box. Let's take a look at some of the most important ones now. Will you make all of the products yourself? Since the component of a subscription box is products, you got to get them somewhere, right? So are you going to make them all yourself, or are you going to get them from someplace else? This is going to impact your costs either way. If not, that is, if you're not going to be making them yourself, will you be able to pay wholesale for them when you purchase them? What is the minimum amount that you have to buy in order to get the wholesale price? Because if you can't sell them all in your subscription box, then you're going to want to sell them some other kind of way. And you're going to want to plan in advance for how that's going to take place. How will you cover the shipping from multiple suppliers if you don't make everything yourself? Now, this can add substantially to your costs, obviously, because if you have 3 or 4 or 5 products in your box and you're getting them from different suppliers, someone's going to have to pay for that shipping, and it can add up really fast. What printed insert will you include, and how will it be created? What box size and packaging inserts will be best? Will buyers pay for shipping, or will shipping be included in the price of the box? How will you identify your super box buyers and collaborate with them to showcase your box on YouTube and other social media outlets? And how will you use social media and other sorts of outlets that you have in order to increase visibility for your box? Here are some examples of some boxes by other makers. This is the Spell Box. The Spell Box is a one-time purchase or a subscribe and save. It contains 3 uniquely crafted bath bombs, one for each full moon of the season, samples of upcoming collections, a seasonal mini magazine, which you can see here, and tools to help you with your craft, like these crystals, for example. This company sells products that are kind of designed around witchcraft and around the occult. So you can see the Spell Box is definitely a complement to that. The price of the box is $50 per box, or you can subscribe and save and pay $45 per box, and it is quarterly. Shipping is included in the price of this box. Here's another one. This is Tricky Wicks. Now I can't show you an actual picture of the box yet because this company is just now launching. And there is no box yet, but there will be soon because the website will be launching this month. Each box from Tricky Wicks contains 3 candles and a, quote, trick surprise that includes a candle that smells like well, a surprise. I'm not sure exactly how that's going to work out, but I wanted to include it here because it includes the element of surprise, which is often really appealing to people who are buying boxes. The price of this is $39 per month plus $6 shipping, and this box is monthly. Another box is the FM Farmhouse. This is a quarterly box that is created in collaboration with other farm home decor Instagram influencers. So this is a great example of someone producing a box that they're actually using other people to collaborate with to create the box. So the target audience for this box is people who love the farmhouse lifestyle. So the influencers are people who blog or have podcasts about home decor in the farmhouse arena. And so this box collaborates with those influencers who kind of pick the products and choose the themes and help the owner of this box create something that is unique and exciting on a quarterly basis for people who love the farmhouse decor lifestyle. And this obviously saves them the trouble of having to redecorate on their own every quarter, because the box comes with lots of neat little seasonal touches that you can place around your home to quote unquote decorate it for the season in farmhouse style. This box is owned by a woman whose husband owns the company who actually makes the candles for the box. So that's an interesting co-working opportunity here, that you can collaborate with another company to regularly make the products that are in the box. So each seasonal box contains a candle that's made by, guess who? This woman's spouse. So that's a nice little thing there. The price of this box is $85.49 for the quarterly subscription, or $94.99. So you can choose whichever one you want based on whether you're buying it one-off for the higher price or quarterly for the subscription. Shipping it is actually extra for this box. It's an additional charge. So it's calculated based on your zip code. So there is no flat shipping. It's definitely based on your zip code. This is a heavy box. It has a lot of things in it. And so the price point's a little bit higher, but it's quarterly. So it's basically $100 a month to kind of have your house, your farmhouse decorated without you having to go out and buy all the stuff and look everything up online and so forth. So you have some new touches to your house every quarter for $100. And it's fun to do that in collaboration with influencers and other farmhouse lovers who sort of enjoy the same thing. And here's another one, the Sip and Scent from Misplaced Muse. This is a monthly box. It's a candle and the beverage of the month, either coffee, tea, or quote unquote surprise me. So there's another surprise. So you can choose whether you like coffee or you like tea, or you can just say surprise me. And the owner will surprise you with something in your box. The candle, it's actually not a candle, it's a wax melt. So I shouldn't have said candle, it's a wax melt. Comes in a little clamshell, as you can see, and it's a wax melt filled with that month's scent, plus a bonus surprise item, and you get something to drink. So it's kind of really neat. This business caters to people who are book lovers, and so this is perfect. Like, you know, put your favorite fragrance in, have a sip of your coffee or tea or whatever you ordered, and read your book. Lots of fun there. Orders received after a certain time of the month will be processed for the next month. So for example, if you place your order for this subscription on the 4th of the month, you'll get that month's subscription. If you place your order on the 5th, you will get the next month's subscription. So you can see she has it broken down to make sure she has a cutoff point to where she's going to stop filling subscriptions for a particular month and move forward to the next month. The price for this one is $8 to $50. So if you just want to buy it once, it's $8. But if you want to buy it for 6 months in a row, it's $50. And that's a really good price for something fun like this, I think. Also, when you place your order, when you're buying, for example, your 6-month subscription for $50, you can add on one more wax melt for $4. So you can see there's a little upsell in the process of buying here, which I also think is super smart. This example is really good because it starts really small and manageable. The person who runs this business makes the wax melts, so the costs are lower. She's already making wax melts, so this is super easy for her to do. It's just that only the people who are subscribed to the monthly box actually get that particular wax melt, which is made for the season. It's not available to everyone else. So those are some great examples. Are you ready to dream up your target audience's perfect subscription box? Your challenge today is to suspend all your limiting beliefs and dream up the perfect subscription box for your community. How many products would it contain? What would those products be? Why would your target audience love it? What upsells could you offer? How could you use the box as a marketing or community building tool? With whom would you collaborate? Could you offer one-time boxes instead of a subscription to test the waters out in advance? Here's the suggested format for you to post your challenge assignment in the group. My perfect subscription box contains blank products. Insert the number of products there. Those products are, and then go ahead and list the products. My target audience will love subscribing to this subscription box because, then share all the reasons. So share your comments and the fill in the blank in our day 3 thread. I look forward to seeing your challenge assignment in the group. It's going to be so much fun. And I'll see you this afternoon for our speaker. Be sure to check your email for the link to join us and for other information about today's activities.